Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jay County until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near
That's
Denver,
something
or
I've
8
heard
miles
in a while.
northeast of Portland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Jay County, including the following locations: Bryant, Trinity, and Westchester. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
First tornado warning.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Jay, Indiana.
Well, I do think that's IWX's first tornado warning of the year. No? Yes?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15
Because it's my first tornado warning of the year.